Hi everyone, I have this Blomberg machine here. It looks dirty because it's been sitting outside. I couldn't figure out if I could fix it. So today we will have an attempt. I have a suspicion what's wrong, and that is the heating element. I'm gonna try to pull a heating element from this machine over here. It's another backhoe. Blomberg is backhoe as well. Okay, now that I can hope that the heating element is at the back instead of the other backhoes, it's at the front. Okay. Back panel is pretty same as that backhoe, so let's just unscrew these screws. I hope I don't have to break this machine because I like Blombergs. Exactly, Blombergs, not backhoe, because the design is a bit more cooler than a backhoe's design. Backhoes are nice machines, but I don't prefer them. Blombergs are just... the design is really cool. I've had 2 Blombergs in my life. This is the second one. Obviously not the first one then. Okay, heating element is at the back. So let's see. Oh my god. The tub is orange, which is unusual. So what do we have here? What are the readings on it? Let's see that backhoe. Okay, the heating element won't fit from that one backhoe. So let's try an indesit heating element. Bearings are just fine. In the seat. Let's hope I won't have to break this machine. It's actually really nice machine. So y'all can see, I'm gonna zoom in as well. That's the heater we're trying to get out. And it's not coming out, is it? I hope I don't mess up its socket, which would be an instant fail for this one. Oh, just done it with my hands now. Oh, this heater has definitely failed. Oh no. Fuck. If I only had a working multimeter, I could understand. I can't see any trace of it actually being failed. It's just dirty, so all I need is this thing. This one can be chucked out. I'm gonna go check for indesit heater. I'm gonna take y'all with me. It has got a much smaller screw. Is this fitting? No. Needs to be undone. But a little problem. That one needs a 10mm screw. I hope that won't interfere with our project. So problem's starting now. Can't unscrew it, can I? No, it should just... Okay, this machine is fairly broken, obviously. So it won't come out so easily. Oh no. So this casing we don't care about, it's smashed anyway. So let's just pull this heater out. Let's just hope it works. This machine had a problem with the PCB. It wasn't even that old. It was just, you know how indesits are. So let's do it like this. Okay, if you won't do it the easy way, we'll have to do it the hard way. Let's just pull this sensor out. Honestly, I don't see why it shouldn't work. This one. Ah, I see now. So should it work or not? We will know now. So they're both. What is the rating? 950 watts. That can't be. So wait, which one did we just pull out? 700 watts. 230 volts. So it is about 200 watts weaker than the one we have from the old one. But it does. Okay, it doesn't even fit. It actually would fit, but in this case it doesn't. Fuck, and I took all my Beko machines to the scrap. Ah, man. How unfortunate. So it can just about fit where we need it to fit. I mean, if it works. If it actually works. Wait, which was the one? Oh no. I think May has mixed up the sensors. Oh shit. Oh, never mind. So the sensor. Oh my god. Never mind, I was wrong. Nope. Not like that either. Ding, 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 ding. Oh shit, that hurt. I have a nearly broken thumb because of a big fail I did. I went to the bouncy house and I fell in a really unfortunate way. Well, it happens to everyone. Okay, but I still can do my stuff just fine. That should do the job. It's a lot the wrong heater, which is not good. It is a bit weaker, but will that really change anything? Okay, so let's just fire it up and see if it works. Honestly, I swear to God, if this heater works. So if it works, this will be my live reaction. I haven't touched it yet. Fuck off. I'm not even kidding you. It works. That easy? So where is the wrong in this heater? Ah, I see some holes. So it went open circuit. So I've got a thermometer connected to it now, which now says 58.9 degrees Celsius. You can't probably see, but if it reaches well over 60, then it will be a fail. If it stays just under 60 or 60, 61, 62 is allowed, but if well over like 70 or 90, then this will be a failed project. Okay, it's now done exactly 60, okay, 60.5. And I had the heater clicked off, so it is pretty accurate. Okay, it might be, might be sellable actually. Not too much to break. So if it now the temperature falls down, it will be amazing. So yeah, I will proceed with the spin cycle, do some more washes, do a 90 wash. and then it will be to the market. Okay, yeah, temperature is dropping. That should be amazing. Okay, so I've put it on a Cotton's 90 wash, and it reads 75 degrees, so it's definitely not overheating. Oh shit, that's hot. That is not 75. I'd say 80 at least. But yeah, it works. I will just clean off the rust, and it will go for like 60 bucks. So then, next video is gonna be with that machine. Ha ha ha.